Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in Arizona, including the benefits, steps to get started, and important requirements to get your business up and running. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, saving you both time and money. So now, let's head over to the steps on how you can start your LLC. So step 1, choose a name for your LLC. The first step is to choose a name for your LLC, and this might sound easy, but there are specific rules to follow. Your LLC's name must include Limited Liability Company or LLC with or without periods. Also, avoid names that suggest your business is a bank, credit union, or insurance company. And of course, it must be unique to Arizona. So make sure to run a name search through the Arizona Corporation Commission to avoid any conflicts. I will leave the link on the description on how you can get here so that you can do the search right here on the Arizona Corporation Commission entity search. And while you're at it, secure your business domain name, even if you're not ready to build a website yet. This is valuable digital real estate and you wouldn't want someone else taking it. And next, step number 2, appoint a registered agent. You'll need to appoint a registered agent. This agent will receive important legal documents on behalf of your LLC. They need to have a physical address in Arizona. You can be your own agent, but I recommend using a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent. They protect your privacy by keeping your personal address off public records. Plus, they offer free registered agent services for the first year when you form your LLC with them. And now, step number 3, file your LLC Articles of Organization. The third step is filing your LLC's Articles of Organization with the Arizona Corporation Commission. You can file online, by mail, or in person, and the fee is $50. This document includes key details like your LLC name, registered agent information, and whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed. Filing online is the fastest way to go. And now, step number 4, publish notice of LLC formation in Arizona. Publishing a notice of your LLC formation is required if your registered agent's address is outside of Maricopa or Pima counties. You'll have 60 days to get this done. If you're in those counties, the Arizona Corporation Commission will handle the publication for you. Keep an eye on the instructions in your approval letter to make sure you are compliant. And now, step number 5, create an LLC operating agreement. While this isn't required by Arizona law, having an operating agreement is highly recommended. It defines how your LLC will be run, the responsibilities of the members, and how profits and losses will be divided. It can prevent misunderstandings between business partners and is often requested by banks when opening business accounts. And finally, step number 6, get an EIN or Employer Identification Number. This final step is obtaining an EIN, which is your LLC's federal tax ID number. You'll need this to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. And the best part, it's completely free and easy to get from the IRS website, and you can also let Northwest Registered Agent do it for you. And that's it. You now know the key steps to form an LLC in Arizona. If you want to save time and make the process easier, I highly recommend using Northwest Registered Agent. For just $39, they will handle everything for you, including the first year of registered agent service, which is a great deal. So don't forget to click the link in the description to get started. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.